So I'm going to be preparing pepper soup with this. I will now wash this now. I'll wash this now and then also wash my meat before cooking it. So you're going to be learning how to prepare pepper soup with plantain and how to make it nice for people to eat. Enjoy watching this video and also learn how to prepare your plantain pepper soup. So here is my meat. I've just finished washing this meat that was bought. I had to wash it with salt and water, and I am going to be seasoning the meat now. So here is my fresh pepper. I'll be pouring this pepper inside the pot. I also pour onions inside the pot. I'll add Maggi inside the pot. So here is my knorr cube. I'm going to be putting knorr cube inside the goat meat. And I also add salt inside the pot. I'll then stir it together. So I'll be mixing this together so that the whole ingredients will enter inside the body, and I'll now be putting it on the fire. So I've now put it on the fire. I'll allow this to steam very well before adding water inside it. So you can see that the meat is steaming. I have here ginger. I've not added water inside this pot because I want the meat to generate its own water. So I've just added ginger inside, and I'll be stirring the pot again. I'll still cover the pot. So now, opening the pot, you see how the meat is boiling. You can see it has generated its own water. Now you can now put the required quantity of water that you want. Now since the goat meat has generated its own water by itself, you can now add the quantity of water you want now. So I'll be adding water inside the pot, and now I'll pour in my plantain inside the pot. I'm still going to be adding water again inside. So the water you add depends on the quantity you want. Now stir the pot. Here the water has not covered the plantain, so I'm still going to be adding another little water inside. This is unripe plantain. Unripe plantain gives iron in the body. It's a bodybuilding food and very rich in protein. So I'm going to be covering the pot now and allow it to steam very well. So I'll allow this to steam very well, let it boil very well. So the plantain is ready now. I have here my scent leaf that has already been sliced. This scent leaf is very nutritious in the body. It's also medicinal. So I'm going to be adding this now. Adding it into the pot. So after adding this now, I'll be stirring the pot and allow this to just steam for 1-2 minutes, and I'll drop the pot down. If you love this video, please thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like and also share this video with your friends and families. This is how to prepare your plantain pepper soup with goat's meat. You can see how lovely this is. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you also learned how to prepare your plantain pepper soup. Don't fail to always tap the bell for notification of new videos. Like and also share my videos with your friends and families. This is Ukeme TV Live. I'll keep giving you and also teaching you how to prepare your nice recipes in different ways. As a lover of good recipe, I like preparing nice and delicious recipes. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. This is how to prepare your plantain pepper soup. See you guys in my next video. Bye.